no, bad one knot. Just got bit there. I think that was a brim. It felt pretty angry. Nope. Oh my God. Well, I set a PB with the perch. Oh my God, look at this guy. Something munched him too. I think that was probably a cat or a great big bass. We're gonna put him on the board just because I'm a little curious. I've never even caught a perch on a Texas rig. I mean, that's pretty impressive. Mean little guys. They are such a good fight though. Yeah, that's definitely a PB. I mean, that's a tank. 11 and a half. All right, dude. Thanks, man.